Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to be making some popcorn and we're going to be making it salty as well as sweet, and we're going to be needing some popcorn kernels, some vegetable oil, some sugar, some salt and some butter. The butter is optional, but I decided to add that because it gives it a better flavor. So the first thing we want to do is to pop our popcorn, and we're going to do that in a pot, and we're just going to add some vegetable oil to that. And a great way to see whether your oil is ready for popping is to put one kernel in there, and then once that has popped, you're ready to go. You'll also be adding some salt, and then you're going to be adding your corn kernels. Shake the pot a bit and then just wait for it to pop. Now once the kernels start popping, you're going to turn down your heat so that the popcorn does not burn. Once the popcorn is all ready, we're going to put them aside, take off the lid so that it doesn't get soggy at all, and then we're just going to go ahead and melt our sugar. So you're going to make sure that your sugar melts properly. And you can see the color right there. Once the color is a light brown, you're going to add your butter, and then also make sure that you're mixing that properly until everything is properly uniform, so to speak. And so once your sugar is melted and you've added your butter and you've stirred that properly, you're going to put in the popcorn and then just mix that together very quickly. Now you want to make sure that after the sugar is melted and the butter has been added, you turn off the heat. Otherwise, your sugar mixture is going to burn and it's going to transfer over to the popcorn. So you want to make sure that when you're mixing the sugar butter mixture with the popcorn, that your heat is off. So you're just going to work very quickly, because if you wait too long, the sugar will become hard and it's going to be work done zero. Mix everything together and then transfer that into a tray and then let that cool. Now some of the pieces are going to stick together, that is no problem. And you can just use your fingers, your clean fingers, to break them apart, and they come apart pretty easily. And so we're just going to put everything into a Ziploc bag. You can put them in a polythene bag or an airtight container. And that is basically it. It's so easy to make. I make this all the time. They've got your popcorn, sweet and salty, and it's absolutely scrumptious. The good thing is that I didn't use too much sugar, so the popcorn is not so sweet. It's sweet enough. There are pieces that are not entirely covered in the sugar, and that's perfectly fine. So then you don't have that super sickly sweet popcorn taste. When you add the butter, you get a nice caramel flavor, and I really like that. I do make popcorn without using any butter. That turns out delicious as well, but like I said, butter adds some flavor. I hope that you enjoyed this short video as usual. Check out my other recipes on this channel. Also check out my food blog on gingerandseasalt.com, and I will see you next time. Happy eating!